Everybody, welcome. Sorry for the few seconds of a little bit late. The system was not plugging me in. So nice to meet you, Marie Kabis from the Face Yoga Passion. If you're live, I'd love to see who's there. We're going to be talking about a beautiful new tip in order for you to get some fantastic skin tone, but also mostly the fact that you're going to be able to create this routine mostly in the morning. Some people like to do it at night, but it's a routine that allows you to not only, it's called the 100 splashes. I know it sounds a little strange, but it allows us to take care of our skin in a natural way, very healthy, and also very economical. It also improves to get a better balanced skin tone, refreshes the skin. It certainly wakes you up in the morning, that's for sure. So if anybody's on live, please, if you see this later on, just hashtag replay. If you have any questions, I'd love to answer your questions. I was keeping a moment for Q&As. And what's wonderful about the 100 splashes, it allows also to tighten your pores, which means that it limits the bacteria to enter your skin. Because some of us who have acne, and even later on we may have acne, not just when we're as teenagers, what allows us to do with the acne, it helps out the acne. However, we normally put water in a bowl, very cold water, which is lower than the body temperature. For people who have acne, I suggest that you take the running water, very cold running water, and splash 100 splashes on your face. Which is fantastic with the cold water also. It limits the sebum to be created, because the sebum, that's what blocks our pores, which creates blackheads, whiteheads, whatnot. So if anybody's on, I'd love to say hello. Tell me where you're from. We'll get a chance to chat afterwards. What's really fun is I'm trying to give you some tips about face yoga for yourself, but also tips that on an everyday basis that you can use. That also I realize that people, even when they go to the gym, they're sweating and they're sweating, right? And then they take their towel and just cleaning up and they're rubbing on their face. That's the worst thing to do. When you're sweating, just pat your face slightly and then quickly go rinse your face to get rid of all the toxins, because the toxins are coming out of your body. That's what it does. So let's go on to the big, beautiful 100 splashes. So the way that it works, actually, the first time I've done this, I didn't do the 100 because it was way too cold. So what I did about 55, if I remember correctly. And then I increased, to 65, 75, and I was able to do 100. Now I'm able to do 100. So first of all, we're going to be concentrating on a certain part of our face. So we're going to be splashing, example, on the right cheek, and then splashing on the left cheek, some 10, splashing on the forehead, splashing in the middle of your face, and then on your jaw. Okay? So it's simply, literally, however, your hands do not touch your face. That's very, very important. So you're literally splashing. Forehead, cheeks, nose. So you do this 100 times. Now, I'm going to push you a little further up, okay? Because everything is drooping. I'm going to push you a little more. Now, I'm going to ask you to put some ice cubes in the water. Yes, go ahead. It is superb for your skin. And it's going to allow, again, to close up your pores. So come on, everybody, let's do this. And wash off, but be careful. Pat your face. Pat your face all over. Do not rub your face. That's also very terrible for your skin. So simply pat your face and allow yourself to enjoy. Now that naturally Your hands are beforehand. I forgot to mention your hands are clean and your face is clean. Now remember one thing: be able to wake up your face. You feel so refreshed. Naturally, your posture. You're standing straight. You're having the chance to clear up the whole system, and then after a while, you'll be able to put your serum, your creams, or your oils, whatever you like. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate. If you like the video, please put some beautiful heart. You can share the video. I also just wanted to let you know I have online courses that are available for you for this summer. You wanted to have some time off and you wanted to enjoy yourself and discover your face, which is face yoga. I also give personal coaching via Zoom with my beautiful Jouvence Prestige package, which is a VIP package, which is a fantastic 8-week package allowing to receive videos, PDFs, and half an hour of coaching per week. I'm able to answer your questions and go very in detail to what you need. So looking forward to hearing from you. Marie Kabis, if you see this later, hashtag replay and simply ask me your questions. I love to answer your questions. See you soon. Ciao.